Nibingelela lonke ku speakndebele.com. Igama lami nguNtando, ngiyathaba kakhulu ukuba lani lapha namhla. That means welcome again to speakndebele.com. My name is Ndando and I'm so pleased to be here with you today. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning the concepts of time, ISIKHATHI. Now to begin, let's learn words to do with telling the time, or the time of day, week, month, or the year. Let's get right into it, shall we? Alright, we'll begin with a minute. The word in Ndebele for a minute is mzuzu. Say it with me. Mzuzu. Umzuzu. That's a minute. The word for an hour is hola. Say it with me. Hola. An hour, you would say ihola. Very good. The word in Ndebele for a day is ilanga. Say it with me. Langa or ilanga. Good. The word in Ndebele for 1 week is ivigi. Say it with me. Ivigi. Good job. The word in Ndebele for a month is inyanga. Try it. Inyanga. Good. The word for 1 year is mnyaga. Say it with me. Mnyaga. Good job. If you wanted to say this year, you would say lo nyaga. Say it with me. Lo nyaga. Good. If you wanted to say last year, you would say nyagenye. Say it with me. Nyagenye. Good. And if you want to say the coming year or next year, you would say mnyaga ozayo. Say it with me. Mnyaga ozayo. Good. And now, let's learn words to do with the day. The word for a day in Ndebele is usuku. Say it with me. Usuku. Now, let's begin at the crack of dawn. The word for dawn, that is just before the first light, just before the sun comes out, is emadabugabusa. Say it with me. Emadabugabusa. Did you get that? Good. Now, the word for dawn, which is at first light, just as the sun is coming up, is ematatagusa. Say it with me. Ematatagusa. Did you get that? Now, the word for morning, which would be between 6 a.m. in the morning and about 10 a.m. is eguseni. Say it with me. Eguseni. So that's the word for morning. The word for afternoon in Ndebele is emini. Try that. Emini. Emini. Good. And evening is intambama. Say it with me. Intambama. Nighttime is ebusuku. Say it with me. Ebusuku. Good. Now, sunrise is ukuphuma kwelanga. Literally, the coming out of the sun. Ukuphuma kwelanga. And sunset is ukuchona kwelanga. Say it with me. Ukuchona kwelanga. That's literally the sinking or the going down of the sun. Great job. The word for days in Ndebele is insuku, similar to what we learned just now. Usuku is 1 day, and the word for days is insuku. So, the word for today would be lamuhla. Say it with me. Lamuhla. Lamhla. The word for tomorrow would be Kusasa. Try it with me. Kusasa. Kusasa. The word for yesterday would be izolo. Say that. Izolo. Good job. The word for the day before yesterday, if you want to say the day before yesterday, you would say gutangi. Say it with me. Gutangi. Now, if you want to refer to 2 days before, which would be the day before yesterday, you'd simply say gutangi tangi. Say it with me. Gutangi tangi. Good. If you want to say the day after tomorrow, you would say phambi kwakusasa. Say it with me. Phambi kwakusasa. Good. Now, how about a week? Let's learn the days of the week. That's very important, isn't it? Okay, let's start with Monday. The word for Monday is umvulo. Say it with me. Umvulo. Did you get that? Good. The word for Tuesday is ulwesibili. Say it with me. Ulwesibili. Good. The word for Wednesday is ulwesithathu. Say it with me. Ulwesithathu. Good job. The word for Thursday is ulwesine. Say it. Ulwesine. Good. The word for Friday is ulwesihlanu. Say it with me. Ulwesihlanu. Good. And the word for Saturday, now listen carefully, is umgqibelo. Say it with me. Umgqibelo. And the word for Sunday is isonto. Say it with me. Isonto. Excellent. Now let's learn the months of the year and the seasons. Okay, let's begin with January. The word for January in Ndebele is zibandlela. Say it with me. Zibandlela. Good. Alternatively, in this day and age, people sometimes just say uJanuwari. Try it. uJanuwari. The word for February in Ndebele is Nhlolanja. Try it. Nhlolanja. Or people just generally say uFebruary. Say it with me. uFebruary. The word for March is Mbimbito. Say it with me. Mbimbito. Good. Or people just say uMachi. Say it with me. uMachi. Good. The word for April is Mabasa. Say it with me. Mabasa. Or people just say uAprili. Try it. uAprili. Good. The word for May is Nkwenkwezi. Say it with me. Nkwenkwezi. Or people just say uMeyi. Try it. uMeyi. Good. Now, June is my favorite time of the year. Why? Because my birthday is in June. And the word in Ndebele for June is Nhlangula. Say it with me. Nhlangula. Good. Or people just say uJuni. Say it with me. uJuni. Good. The word for July is Ntulikazi. Say it with me. Ntulikazi. Or people just say uJuly. Say it with me. uJuly. The word for August in Ndebele is Ncwabakazi. Say it with me. Ncwabakazi. Or people just say U-Agasti. Say it with me. U-Agasti. The word for September is Mpandula. Say it with me. Mpandula. Mpandula. Or people just say U-September. Try that. U-September. The word for October is Mfufu. Say it. Mfufu. Good. Or people just say U-October. Say it. U-October. And the word for November is Lwezi. Say it with me. Lwezi. Or you could just say U-November. Try that. U-November. And the word for December is Mpalagazi. I love that word. Say it with me. Mpalagazi. Or you could just say U-December. Now just remember that when you want to say in the month of, let's say you want to say in the month of January, you would use the prefix ngo. Okay, ngo. So for example, if you wanted to say in January, you would say ngo Zibandlela or ngo January. If you wanted to say in June, you would say ngo Nhlangula. Try that with me. Ngo Nhlangula. So if you wanted to say in December, how would you say it? Did you get it? You would say ngo Mpalagazi. Did you get that right? Ngo Mpalagazi.